Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to manifest anything overnight. So, if you like the video related to manifest power, I will largely request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. How to manifest anything overnight. Ever wanted something so bad that you feel like it's just out of your reach? It feels like there is some force preventing you from achieving the goal. The good news is this may not be true. There are several ways to manifest anything overnight. This vlog post will discuss these methods and how they work to make sure that you can create what you want in life. Now, what is manifestation? Manifestation is a process of creating what you desire. It's a way to break things into reality and making your wishes come true. Manifestation is a way that people create change in their lives and the environment around them. There are three main steps to manifestation. The first step is desiring something. The second step is feeling the feelings that you would have when the goal have been achieved. Finally, taking action by thinking about what you want and how good it will feel when you achieve your desire. This intention sets in motion a series of events leading up to achieving it. Once these three things are done, manifesting anything overnight becomes much easier than ever before. Now, is manifestation the same as the law of attraction? No, they are not the same. Manifestation is the practice of creating change in one's life and environment, whereas the law of attraction is a belief that one's positive or negative thoughts create, attract, and manifest events in their life. Now, how do you manifest something in 24 hours? Manifesting something overnight can be done with enough focus on your goal. However, this does not always happen right away, as it takes some time for manifestation work its magic. Before we get started talking about how long manifesting will take, let's talk about why it works. Manifestation works by tapping into the energy of your thoughts and feelings. This is done by focusing on what you want to happen, leading to a chain reaction that attracts more things. For manifestation to work as quickly as possible, focus on being specific with the details about exactly what this thing is that you are looking for. It's also important not to be attached to how long it takes, because if you are expecting one result right away and change does not come immediately, it can feel frustrating. Now, 6 steps to manifesting anything overnight. The first one, decide what you want to manifest in your life. The first step to manifesting anything overnight is deciding what you want. It can be difficult to nail down exactly what you want, so start with something small that will make your day a little better. Write down exactly what it is and how much of it you would like to see in your life. The more specific the details are about the thing, the stronger and the clearer they will be yourself and others around us when they read our thoughts. Now that we have an idea of what we are looking for, let's get started finding ways to bring this vision into reality. The second one, visualize the outcome of your manifestation. One of the most important steps in bringing your vision to reality is visualizing it. You want to imagine how this outcome will look and feel for you while also considering what others need from this. For instance, if you are manifesting a new car, think about yourself driving that shiny vehicle down the road with music blasting on whatever radio station you prefer. You want to visualize it in as much detail as possible. Do you notice how the sun shines through the windows of your car and warms up your skin? How about the new leather smell, fresh off the factory floor, with license plate reading new car sitting in between two other cars on either side? Now, do you see it now? Can you feel what it would be like to get into this vehicle every morning and evening when picking up kids from saucer practice? Whatever you are manifesting, adding detail is key. Now the third one, write down your intention and put it somewhere safe. The next step to manifesting anything you want is to write down your intention. Your intention should be something that you are passionate about and want to happen in your life. Make it realistic, achievable, and measurable so that you can track your progress. You could try saying things like, I will manifest a new car, or I'm going to buy a house. The more specific, the better. Once you have written down your intention, put them somewhere safe where they won't get lost. I keep mine under my bed pillow. Sometimes I even sleep on the top of them just because I know how much energy centers around my goals and desires. Then it comes fourth one, sleep on it. The next step is to sleep on it. This may seem like a dumb thing to say, but the subconscious can actually find answers that we are not able to see with our conscious mind. In order for your manifesting intentions to work, you will need a lot of energy and power behind them. The best way to get this type of energy is by sleeping while being fully charged up from an intense workout session or meditating in total silence for at least 15 minutes before going to bed. When you wake up, take time out each day, no matter how busy your life seems to. Read through all your intentions and visualize what they will look like if they were manifested into reality. This will help keep the intention fresh in your mind. Then it comes to the fifth one, believe that you will achieve what you are manifesting. You can't manifest anything if you don't believe it. If you're not confident that the universe will provide what you want, then how will this help? You need to be convinced and now in your heart of hearts that everything is going to work out exactly as planned without a hitch. This future reality has already been envisioned by the universe, so all that's left for us to do is ask it for our desires. After establishing clear intentions with powerful visualization techniques like those mentioned earlier in the blog post, we must ground ourselves into the present moment while staying focused on manifesting what we desire. When distractions come up or doubts start creeping in about whether or not our manifestation can actually happen, ground yourself again. Stay positive and keep your thought focused on what you want to manifest. Now, sixth one, take action to achieve your goals. The sixth and the final step in the manifesting process is to take action. Remember that thoughts are just thoughts. They don't happen automatically because you think them. You need to physically do something with those intentions in order for them to come true. Start by taking small steps and build on those success. With every goal that you accomplish, be sure to celebrate your success. That's all about the manifest power in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.